Have Bibble 1's chromosomes. The first thing to do is to see where the parts of the chromosomes match. We see here that the way this chromosome is right now, no parts match. So let's turn it upside down. We can do this because the chromosomes are free-floating, meaning they have no true beginning or end. That's better. As we can see, the M and L match, but then we have the areas that don't match of IJ centromere KL and LK centromere JI. So this was the area that was inverted. This is a type of pericentric inversion because it includes the centromere. To begin drawing this to see how they interact, you're going to take your first chromosome and you're going to make it have a little bulge up like that. Then you're going to take your second chromosome of that same one and you're going to do the same thing. So that is the first chromosome. And then you're going to take your second chromosome, which is a little bit more difficult, and you're going to make what's called an inversion loop inside the little hump. Then you're going to do the same thing with your second chromosome. Now when placing your genes, you want to make sure that the ones affected are in the loop, like so. So now during meiosis, we had a crossover between the regions of J and K. Follow M, I, J, centromere crossover, K, L, coming back, and then we have M again. Now, since these ones are all used up on this side, we have to go to the other side to the chromosome that hasn't been gone yet, which is H, G, L, K, centromere, crossover, J, I, coming back down to G, and then H. Here's Bibble 2's chromosomes. Again, we have to flip the second one around in order to have some parts line up. We see that the chromosomes line up exactly, meaning there is no aberration in the chromosome. It is a complete and correct copy. Now let's see how a crossover between the J and K regions would affect the gametes of these chromosomes. So here we have the two chromosomes, M, I, J, centromere, K, L, H, G, and of course the genes are the same on each chromosome. And then we have on this one M, I, J, centromere, K, L, H, G also. Now we have a crossover between the two, between the J and K regions. Fitness is the ability of an organism to survive and reproduce. Between Bibble 1 and Bibble 2, Bibble 2 has a higher expected fitness because Bibble 1 only has 50% of its gametes surviving, whereas Bibble 2 has theoretical 100% of its gametes surviving. In conclusion, Bibble 2 would have a higher expected fitness.